So we're a very professional hip and knee manufacturer in China, in Tianjin, only 2 hours drive from Beijing, the capital. So we offer complete product portfolio for hip and knee joints. So let's start from the hip. We have the cemented hip and the cementless hip. This one, the cemented hip, is a Stryker Exeter concept. And we also have the cemented hip. This is a Stryker Acolyte and the Johnson & Johnson Carlisle concept and Johnson & Johnson Charlotte concept. And as you can see, this is a HA coating. Actually, there are 2 layers. Beneath the HA coating, there is a titanium spray coating. On top of that is HA. Okay, so double coating. See the titanium. This is a coated in the proximal end. This is a fully coated stem. And this type of stem is especially good for the DAA, the direct anterior approach, because it's smaller, especially good for a young patient. And this is a bipolar we have. It's a Zimmer kind of design. We use this ring to lock the femoral head. And the total hip cup titanium spray. This is a Johnson & Johnson Pinnacle concept. It matches this liner. And also the femoral head, we offer the cobalt chrome metal head, and also the Bilox, the 3rd generation from Ceramtech. And this is a cup for cemented hip. And this is a dual mobility total hip. Okay, just to put this metal liner here. There's a peg. Enter the central hole, and with this poly liner, so it can work this way. It's not right size. And also we have the 3D printed trabecular metal cup. The whole piece is printed by powder, titanium powder. Okay? And the porosity is 80%. So far the best in the world, with the best bone ingrowth effect. And for revision, we have this also 3D printed cup. Also porosity 80%. Offers many holes for the surgeon to find the right place to screw the hole, to use a screw. And also we use a cemented liner here. So between the cup and the liner, there is a cement. That is very good for the surgeon to find the best position, because in the revision surgery, maybe the acetabular bone is not very complete. So you have to make sure it's firmly seated in the acetabular bone, and you can find the right angle for the cup, for the liner. And you got to make sure it's anterior and the lateral angle is right. And this is an augment, also use a 3D printed technology. For example, you can use it that way. And we also can print different shape of the augment, not only this one. Okay, this is a Johnson & Johnson S-Brown design. We have the sleeve both in triangle and also the straight sleeve. This is best for the DDH, dysplasia type of patient. And for revision, we have this Zimmer Vagina. It's a very classic design, and it's very quick in the surgery. Less surgery time, and very easy to apply. This is for the distal fixation concept, because after the the primary surgery. When you do the revision, in most of the cases, the proximal part is bone defect here, so you have to use a distal part to fix it. So that's about our hip. And for our knee product, we have this. Talk about hip. We also have a secret weapon. This is our zirconium niobium alloy head. Actually, Smith Nephew has a similar one. They call that oxinium. Okay, we use a similar technology, but we have our own technology. After the treatment, the metal surface just as hard as a ceramic. Okay, so our plan is to give it a better price. A better price than oxinium from Smith Nephew. Also better price than the ceramic head. Okay, so when people want to use a ceramic head, you can go to the zirconium niobium from Just Medical. Okay, and we also have two advantages over the ceramic. The first one is ceramic sometimes squeaks. Okay, it will provides a sound. And the second one is sometimes fracture. The ceramic can fracture, but this metal will never fracture. Okay, that's about the hip. And for knee, we have primary knee. This is a Zimmer Biomet Vanguard concept. Actually, it's 90% is just like a Vanguard. For example, the condyle is almost the same as a Vanguard. And we also make some improvements. We copy the original design, but not 100%. We also have our own improvement. For example, the locking mechanism here is different from original Vanguard. They use a locking bar here. We use this, and this is easier and more stable. And also, the backside, the original Vanguard, they don't polish the backside. It's rough, but we polish it just like mirror because we believe there could be some backside wear, okay, to avoid the wear to generate some residue here. So that's it for the primary knee, and also we have a revision knee. Revision knee, and you can add a stem and augment on the tibial, but also you can add a stem here on the femur. Okay. These augments. We have a 5, 10, 15 millimeter thickness. And the stem we have 40, 80, 120 different length. This is for revision, and sometimes the patient has some bone defect on the tibia. Okay. For example, the patient has bone defect on the tibia, so you have to use the augment and also the stem. But normal manufacturer, you have to use revision knee. Revision knee means the price is doubled compared to the primary knee, and also you have to remove too much bone. But Just Medical offer a solution. We use the primary knee. As you can see, this primary knee can add the augment and the stem. That means save a lot of money for the patient, and also you don't have to remove too much bone from this part. So not all the manufacturers offer this type of implants. And in the worst condition, when the patient doesn't have the collateral ligament, so we can use a hinge knee. Okay, we use a hinge. There's a hinge to connect the components. rotating hinge knee. This is a last resort for the worst condition. And for the patient has only one condyle problem, okay, you don't have to really cut the both condyle for the femur. You can only cut one condyle, and you can use a unicompartmental knee. Unicompartmental knee, we have the mobile bearing. And fixed bearing knee. And sometimes we don't really have to cut the joint to do the joint replacement. We can fix the problem peri-articular. Okay, we can do the high autonomy tibia surgery to solve the problem. We also have the place for that. Okay, and we also have the cementless knee. Okay. We understand the majority knee replacement in the market is done by the cemented knee, but we're also looking to the future. This is a cementless knee. Cementless knee. Normally people use cemented knee. Okay, maybe 90% or 100%. But in U.S. now, they already have 25% surgery done by the cementless knee. So we just want to be prepared for the future. This is a TAMI E plate. This is a titanium spray coating for the cementless knee for the bone ingrowth. And we use a screwdriver here to screw, and you can see the wing will come out, will break out to stuck to make it stable. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.